Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play pillars on Minecraft. First, understand that pillars refers to building tall, often decorative structures. You'll need a flat area to begin your construction. Gather a good variety of building blocks like stone, wood, and even some decorative elements. Consider your design before placing the first block to ensure stability and aesthetic appeal. This challenge encourages creativity and structural integrity. To begin building your pillar, select a large, flat area in your Minecraft world. A stable foundation is crucial, so start with a base that is at least 3 by 3 blocks wide. As you build upwards, ensure each layer is securely placed. You can vary block types for visual interest and structural strength. Remember, the higher you go, the more important stability becomes to prevent collapses. For an impressive pillar, experiment with different block textures and colors to create unique patterns. To enhance stability, consider adding wider sections or buttresses at various heights. These can prevent your pillar from looking too thin or toppling over. Don't forget to add decorative touches like windows, balconies, or even a small beacon at the top. Creativity is key to making your pillar stand out. Once you've mastered basic pillars, try more advanced techniques like incorporating spirals or intricate carvings. You could even build an entire city of connected pillars, using bridges and skywalks to link them. The possibilities are truly endless in Minecraft. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, make sure to check the description below for links and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.